Welcome to our channel. If you received a Santander employee card and want to activate it by phone, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Find the toll-free activation phone number that came with your Santander employee card. It is usually printed on a sticker on the card or in the welcome materials. Step 2. Call the activation number from your mobile or landline phone. Step 3. When prompted, select your preferred language for the activation process. Step 4. Follow the automated voice prompts and enter your 16-digit Santander card number using your phone's keypad. Step 5. You will be asked to provide the last 4 digits of your social security number or other identifying information to verify your identity. Step 6. Create a personal identification number, PIN, when prompted. This PIN will be required for ATM withdrawals and in-store purchases. Step 7. Listen carefully to the confirmation message indicating that your Santander employee card has been successfully activated. Step 8. Your Santander employee card is now active and ready to use for business expenses, purchases, and ATM withdrawals. Keep your card secure and monitor your transactions regularly through the Santander online banking portal or mobile app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.